It's massage.
Massage, yeah. Right, sorry, someone just come on and offered us some massage. Right, a new video, Buffalo. We'll do that, $5 a go, 1,000. Can we change that to dollars? No. Oh yeah, we can, there we go. $5 a go. Hypes is playing there, he's 1,000 in as well. I'll keep it at 5. Assume we need 3 of them coins like normal. And see what we can get. Looks like half decent little roll in. 113, or increase for balance. 113, yeah. Hello to Buffalo. Play for a bonus. Nothing huge, but it's the only thing that's happened for a while. $50. Puts us back up to, well, not back up to, but to the 900 mark. Kind of do want to get a bonus. Something lands. I'd be happy with that, yeah. Considering we're at $5 at the minute. Well, yeah, exactly. After halfway through almost. I meant $5 won so far.
Oh, right, yeah. Just think about how close the dollar is to the pound. It's like it's a £5 line, isn't it?
Not far. This looks a good game. What's that do then?
Back to the hole. Oh, what the fuck with the third wheel? Oh, there we go.
That's not that much. Needed something along that one, yeah. 100 bucks. Alright. Oh, now that. Oh, that's what happens. Then that goes down. Oh, so you've got that on yours. Yeah, alright, I get it now. That one might be worth playing.
It is actually, yeah.
I might actually play that one then. We're just working out, because look, Stampede, the thing, how high that is. I've never actually seen this before.
We found a trick with the game.
Yeah.
We're checking things everywhere, nothing.
Well, still an awful bonus, $5 a go.
Probability has changed when you check. There obviously is like a builds
up. The smoke's getting in my throat. I was just getting over cold as it was, so. Budweiser could cure that though.
No, it's really smoky. It's more smoky than it was last night.
Look how many re-triggers though.
Oh, brilliant.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers, thank you.
Thank you.
That's probably the way you can.
That's alright. 38 spins.
Which 100 $100 to save it for you.
Alright, go on. Yeah.
So,
Oh, do you know what? Fuck it, I'll be alright. Well,
you're winning loads and loads.
we're at 117, yeah.
He's winning and winning.
We want him to win.
Oh,
If they don't win, they'll never come back.
I just want to see Martha rolling. She obviously still plays.
Should be about 147 views. I think that's actually filmed in 2005, you know? Yeah, I think it was released in 2007, maybe. Certainly around then. Well, this just seems a waste of time. $5 to go, 46 spins. Well, there's a few kings, but even that's not going to be much. $10. One more spin.
That many spins.
That many spins, $5 a go. What a load of shit. Right, I'm going to try the machines for right pipes. I'll be back. I'm $1.50 down.
You just play it for it.
So I'm going to start on this one on $2 because the rules are built up quite a bit on $2, and I think that's what this game's about. The screen is a bit dull, but let's see if we can get some.
Deliberately, because that one's dull, this one's not. That one's vibrant.
Does that come down now? Wasn't that higher? Or am I just imagining it? I'm going to check back on the video. I'm going to play this for a little bit anyway, but the screen ain't great. Right, so it did go down a bit from the start. I don't know why, but yeah, like I say, get a bonus on this. It's only $2, but $5 one didn't exactly pay, did it? But that's what it's about, the Super Stampede, I guess. Quick bonus. Now we want that middle one, I guess, for Super Stampede. Really don't know how it works too much, never seen it before, but I'm assuming that's what it is, and I'm shouting I've got this too loud, don't I? Oh no, it's not even. It's really loud, haven't we?
Oh, it is smoky. Really?
Yeah.
I think it's like wafting over this direction. Cigar, everybody loves the cigar, right?
$4, get a motherfucking 2x. That's quite a big win.
Oh, was that the bonus?
That's the bonus. That's quite a big win for this. Right, I'm going to keep trying. Probably need my head tested. It's probably what these are designed for. Exactly that, to make you think, oh, let's keep playing. That's exactly what they're designed for. No probably about it, but yeah, not good. See, them two are high. I'm stuck on it now, so it works. It works. Although I think in the future I probably won't get started on one.
I can't remember what it is in Netherlands. There's one slot. They might have it here, but I don't think that works. It'll basically make a real wild, and then it'll make another one wild. But in the end, you sort of build up all these points. They can all sort of all go wild, but there's always one there. You have to keep going on.
They ain't silly, these designers. Look, you want a screen like that. I know it's in like the attract mode, but yeah, they ain't silly, these developers. They know what they're doing. Right, anyway, I'll cut back because this might get a bit boring otherwise. Right, do you know what? I want that Super Stampede. Say, they've got me. They've got me. He's on a bonus, but I won't film that. That'll be on my. No, I'm not going to film that. I was going to come out with a joke, but I'll come out of it afterwards. What's that? $48. Like, probability has changed, so it's knocked them all down. Do I just call it a day there? Yes, for now I think I will. So let's reach for the top of that column, so I get 8 free games with, yeah. Sure, right. Be nice. Well, I don't think it's going to be nice. More games after this, and we're up to $1.20. So some aces. That's good. That's got to be good. That's good. That's really good. That's really good, isn't it? Like 500. No, it's more. That's good. 42 times 50. Skip the music. Yeah. Alright, I'll let it off. Oh, we're on $2 as well. Actually, that's really good, yeah, that's really good.
They can pay more than 100.
Yeah, we're happy with that. Right, that's my walk point for this game, after this lucky press. We're on a massive fucking screen, just show there's a bottle of Budweiser for scale. Look. Bottle of Budweiser for scale. It's like, yeah, the ace and king is a bottle of Budweiser length. It is, isn't it? Look. Dancing drums, explosion. We're going to do 588. Me and Hypes are halves on this.
Yeah. This is 7th game. He likes it.
I do quite like this game. Have we got the volume up?
Yeah, it's not much sound, is it?
It is. No, the volume's up. It is up.
Yeah.
We're going to get copyrighted for fucking music.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I cut back if anything happens. Right, we're in with 4 drums, and we got the music copyright, which will definitely be happening here. You ain't seen nothing yet, so right, always got to go for the volatile one.
Yeah.
And hopefully the music, you ain't seen nothing yet. Oh fucking hell!
YouTube's got a new thing. They got a new thing where you can, it blurs it out. It's still sort of there, but I don't know if you've seen it. This is ridiculous. You can't even look at the screen.
One more spin up to 165.
That's oh no, you got
it's a bit of money in it.
Yeah.
It's not letting me skip it. 202.
Well,
nothing amazing, but.
Back coming in. Oh, the screen.
I know, yeah. Boom. But yeah, if you got the sound, you really hear that. But we've got the fucking music.
They got massive screen and the sound's on.
So let's play something else because this music's going to kill this.
Yeah.
Right, we had a bonus. Oh, it'd be nice to get the golden one. We'll find something else. Alright, me and Hypes are 200 each in Wheel of Fortune Gold Spin. We're going for whatever. We're going to do $10 a spin. I think we want that there.
Yeah. Gold spin. Oh.
No, I think you need. Oh, we don't need that there. What do we need then? Do we need 3 of them then?
Gold spin is something else. It's a bonus. Where you win the jackpot.
Oh, I've got that totally wrong. I thought you just needed a spin on Wheel of Fortune.
3 spins in it.
Maybe it's 3 of them. Yeah, it's obviously going to be 3 in a row. Alright, okay.
Oh, there we go.
Right, so that's a normal spin.
We're in. Yeah.
It's only a normal spin, but it could be awful. Go and press it.
No, it might lose.
Oh, fucking throat.
Trip on the eyes like that, Will. Yeah.
10x. But I think we're playing the extra bet for this gold thing.
Yeah, we can win the progressive 2.4.
Well, that's easily done. They're cheering. They're watching us. You can hear people watching us. They're watching us. They're loving it. They're cheering us at $100. Oh, yeah.
They didn't think them in, did it? Surprise. What about the brightness? Oh my god, fuck.
Did you get static shock?
Why am I getting static or that's just perspex, isn't it? Plastic.
No, it's to be on the line.
I'm getting static on everything.
Yeah, I'll be the same. Right, if anything happens, we'll cut back. Fortune! Right. Right, I'm going to press it. Oh, go on, you press it, yeah.
Sorry, it's not very big. This one, 100.
I think this one looks like shit spins, but it's quite frequent maybe.
Yeah.
And you maybe want that gold one to make this big bet worth it. Money back. money back, yeah.
Sorry.
Fucking love it, don't worry about it. Yeah, if you get it in some sort of... I think you have to get spin, yeah. Oh yeah, I don't know. We should look at instructions.
Oh yeah, it's a bit.
Oh yeah, spin, gold, yeah.
You made it to the bonus!
Gold spin.
Right. I definitely called that.
Right, go and press it then.
Right. Here we go. Gold spin. Give us some other car on the wheel, right? That'll be some stuff. Now I think we got it. 10x.
10x, nice, yeah. Now, don't just be something we're not there.
Well, I said it'll do a 30, didn't I? But obviously we don't want that. But it's actually quite nice. I've done it mature in this. Come on!
Shut up.
Come on!
My God. Let's do it. Imagine 1,000.
I know. It's coming. Oh, 500.
500. Money.
We can certainly use that.
We've doubled our money almost.
And again, re-roll.
Would you want to play it down 700?
Yeah.
Maybe a bit of money up, haven't we?
That was actually nice.
Yeah.
That's basically the best thing you can hope for, that, really. I mean,
yeah, 10x. You're not getting a jackpot, are you? So. Fucking throw. Here's all the smoke, can't
yeah, just a normal spin.
Wonderful gold one.
Oh, that's a slow roll.
Yeah. Right, last one. We're going to cash out 300. Oh. That's tasted a bit there.
It's exciting.
Let's do 5 minutes. Fuck it, I'm out. Right, 300 up on that go. Nice. Wheel of Fortune 4D. I don't know how this is going to show. We've got it on maximum 4D. We've got our $700 ticket.
Share rumble. You want share rumble, don't you?
Oh, go in. Oh,
max
fuck, I
share
felt that.
rumble.
Max volume.
Max volume. There you go. Chair sound.
Chair sound. Oh, chair sound. Oh, I can hear that. Right.
I guess $3, I guess.
$3? Right.
Yeah, because you get this.
Fucking hell. I can't specify. God. I know. Whoa, oh my God. That won't show on the camera though, but can you see? You're making them things. Look, you're giving them a pattern, look.
What the hell?
Oh, geez.
This is looking interesting.
Oh, my chair's vibrating. Oh my God.
Chair roll.
Oh, it's going again. What's all these time multipliers?
The music's a bit intense.
Won't play this too long. Anyway, I'll stop filming because I'm filming too much. Come on, hang on, how's this going to look? Oh, fucking hell.
Reach out in midair and spin the wheel.
Oh, go on, go on, go on.
You can spin it.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, we got. Oh, wow.
You can spin it, yeah.
I'm nowhere near the screen. Look. Like, right, should we do it?
Awesome.
Actually, nowhere near it. Look.
I actually thought that was...
Oh my god, how's that coming out? Look.
What's that? Is that 2,000?
You did an exceptional
No.
job. That was a
Smart.
lot of fun. See you next time.
$60.
$60?
Yeah.
Oh, they're credits. I thought they were dollars.
Yeah.
They're dollars.
Yeah, dollars. All my chairs
I
vibrated.
actually thought that was dollars.
Fucking hell. Look at
One
that.
cent. Oops.
That's
I think we were on. I thought we were on the other one still.
Oh,
Can the camera pick it up?
no, it's not picking up. I can go through it.
I'm not really excited though. I thought
There's an interesting fruit machine with a old steering wheel.
like you have to, there must be a bonus you have to race and then...
No idea.
Wow.
Interesting. Next up is this thing. 5 treasures. Ah, you static. Up to 528. Sorry, up to 528. 528 a bit. What do we need? 3 of them.
One thing I'd say to anyone coming to Vegas, maybe it depends on the shoes you wear, but you will get a static shock. Let's go and have a drink with them.
Yes, please.
I want to see if they'll do me a zombie cocktail, because I don't know if that's a thing over here, but...
Never heard of it.
Come inside the front.
We've got a bonus. 5 errands? Let's go for it.
Oh, you get, I'll put it free spin, you get one.
It's a different game, this. We need.
It's a bit different.
Don't be nothing. Well, nothing. You know, nothing on them symbols. 2 ways. $90. At least it's not nothing. One more spin. You get a few. It's decent. Still pretty shit for $5 a go, isn't it? Really. You reckon? Well, this one seems a bit quiet, not doing much. So we're going to go on one next bit.
Yeah.
520, 528 to go on this. Three of them left to right is a bonus, but the wild also counts. As long as she's left to right. I just stopped filming about coming. 22.15 guaranteed. Well, I said 22.15 guaranteed, so I lied. It was 22.16. Extra cent. This is for Gary the Gambler, who always requests this when I play with FOBTs. So I've got a really sore phone to keep you hearing me.
There's no pick on this one, then it's...
No, it's a 7-3 game. That's for pay tables, by the way. So the old geezer there, you want. Oh, got £11.40 to add to that. Come in, come through.
Mini again, yes. Oh, $11.
$11?
I was trying to say they can call that a jackpot. Having the word jackpot, it just...
Yeah. I know. 4 games left. So far doing not amazing. go. I mean, 880. Just for a couple of spins. Down to 400?
Yeah.
And then we change game or something. It's only 60. You wanted to go across. Be a big difference. It'd be 5 times difference. This has gone really quiet. We've gone below what we said we would. 200 we're definitely going to cash out and find a different machine. It's doing absolutely nothing. Not even getting little wins in a minute. One more press after this. Yeah, that literally went dead. It was off camera, but nothing happened. Right, we'll take about 200 and find another start. Going on dancing a drums prosperity now. 200 ticket, we're going to do 588. And there's a reflection from some lights behind us, so I don't know if we're staying here that long. I want to get a bonus, but we'll see. See, we've got a bonus. I was just saying, I really want to get a bonus. Should we go for it? Oh. No. Oh. Should we really go for it? No, fuck mystery, that's a shit.
Is it?
Should we just go for it?
Yeah, go on.
Right.
Go. Bang. So that's something.
Something.
Oh, okay. So that's about 300.
No, 150 odds maybe?
Oh, sorry, yeah. I thought he was doing that twice.
That's nothing major.
It looks amazing when you see all these.
Are we going to go up again? No. Oh, shame I didn't go for the last reel. Still 60 bucks. 300 odd maybe? Not quite. That's better than nothing.
Bang, bang, bang. That's cool. Back down the side.
Yeah. Well, I won't go that far. Go that far,
Oh,
fucking hell.
Gems coming out there.
Yeah, not that far, but nice to get a bonus. Let's try for another.
Back to back.
Yeah, back to back. But we've upped it to 10 bucks to go now. So we really want a bonus now. 10 bucks to go. Alright, well this has gone quiet, but even so, that's going to be shit. Look, yeah, you look, get 14 bucks. You're doing $10 a spin. Go on then.
Or the yellow one. Oh, it's the big one.
Yeah, there's a green one. There you go.
So much.
There it is. What's that, mate?
Well, you get another chance of someone else that's a bit over the
Well, you're going to get a blue as well then.
Bonus pick, major. Do you know
Huh?
that? Do you know that
No,
bonus pick?
no. But yeah, so we're down to the last few quid, as you can see. Dollars even. Soon goes at £10 though. Love a bonus on this, so like 10 bucks. Yeah, it'd be nice. We're going to put another 200 in each. Come in. We've got $11 to come in.
Bonus pick. No bonus pick.
Yeah, so we're going to put
Go to number 2.
another 200 in each.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to put another 2 each. 2 in each. And try and get a bonus on this. Yeah, so when we cut back, you'll see another 400 in. Right, another 400 in each. Sorry, 200 in each, as I said. 400 in total. $10 to go. This is probably going to go really quick. I I'd like to see a $10 bonus. Oh. Not much. I'm fucking throw it. I'm not even gonna say. Last few quid. It's gone so quick. That'd have been what we wanted, and that's, well, 588. That's, oh, I could have done. I could have. Yeah, I didn't see that. Oh well, that wasn't to be. Oh yeah, we can do it. No. Oh, it's about $80, and then the thing. Not let me say, well, I skipped it now. Swap my room now. We're in a bit of a better room. Still a basic-ish room. It's not like the suite I had last time, but it's quite nice to lay on your bed and look at Vegas for the best you can. And of course, home there. What else? So that's video 2 on the slots. About, I'm not exact science, but I was about 300 up, but Hypes came in with me as well on some of that, and I think he was about 400 down. But yeah, for that session for me, I was 300 up. Not that's not exact, $50 either way, it's close enough. So yeah, that's video 2. It is Saturday night. No, it's not. It's Friday night. And we're gonna go. Well, I'm getting some food up to the room. Hypes is in his room. Meeting him in a couple of hours, and we're going to go up to Mandalay Bay and film some more videos there, and go and see Michael Jackson. Obviously not, he's dead, but you know, Michael Jackson Cirque du Soleil show up Mandalay Bay. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm in the mood to push the stakes a bit. Not that these are exactly small stakes, they weren't big, but last night when I weren't filming, I got fucking lost $5 grand, and I said it already. I was doing stupid stakes. Did like a $1,000 ticket in Wheel of Fortune, $100 Wheel of Fortune, gone in about 10 seconds. Yeah, okay, I'm rambling on. I'll, you see Home Alone reflection? Yeah, you can. Yeah, I'll be back soon. Good evening.